are thinking of how to make money online, then Freebyz website, freebyz.com, is a place to make money online. And you can earn money online using your social media handles, your Facebook handle, your Twitter handle, your YouTube, your Gmail, and any other social handles you have should no longer be wasting. You should use them to earn money. On Freebies, you can see that you can get rewarded for every minute you spend to like, share, comment on a post, or even play games. That is wow. Another thing again is that you can benefit out of their affiliate marketing method. What are the things you need to do? Number one is for you to sign up, get your referral code, and invite your friends. When you sign up, get your referral code, and invite your friends, when your friend signs up on Freebies and also get their account activated with just 500 naira, you will be credited with 250 naira. Of every friend you refer, you earn 250 naira. If you invite just 10 friends, you are able to earn 2,500 naira. That's if you do that in just one day. If you do that, the same thing, you do that for 4 days, you earn 10,000 naira without even doing any job, just referring friends to Freebiz. Now, you can also do social media jobs. So I'm going to show you how you can do social media jobs. You create an account on Freebiz. If you have not created an account on Freebiz, there's a link in the description of this video that you can use to create an account on Freebiz if you have not done that. So if you've created an account, you can then come ahead and log in. Once you log into your profile, I will log in here with just my Gmail. I will log in with Google. I will not need to waste so much time entering details again. So once you log in here, what you do, you just go simply to jobs and then you click on available jobs. Then you see the jobs that are available just for you. Now, one thing is that you must be a verified user before you can have unlimited access to jobs. You can see here that the jobs listed here are just few. But once you are a verified user, then you will be able to get verified and then you have access to more jobs. Your money can be withdrawn at any point in time. You can also fund your wallet. Once you withdraw your money here, payment will be made every Friday. So if you make a withdrawal request, the request will be processed, and on Friday of the week you have requested, then your money will be paid out to your bank account. And that is it. I'm using a free account here that has no referral to explain to you, and then you'll be able to see how to do that. Now, if you want to also post job, let's say you are a business owner and then you want to um, boost your social media profile, you want to grow your YouTube channel, etc. You even want people to like a post for you on your blog, then you can come ahead here and create a campaign. You must be a verified user to create a campaign. If you click on create campaign, it's going to take you to where you can create a campaign and then you select the campaign type. When you click on select the campaign type, you can hire graphic designers, Facebook, Google review, Instagram job, mobile apps, TikTok job, video editing job, and a host of them. If you select, for example, you select Facebook job, then you have a whole number of the different jobs that you can do. Let's say, for example, I want somebody to follow my page. You see here that to follow a page is 15 naira, and then you can determine the number of workers you want. If, for example, I want 10 workers, then I'm going to click it there, and then you see the cost. You put the title of the job you are hiring, you put the link of your page, and then you put the description. You must ensure that you give clear description of what you want your workers to do. And then how do you know that they have done the job? Then you put there. You must approve this within 5 days. If it is not approved, the system will automatically approve your job for you. Once you have posted a job, what you need to do is to come and do view campaigns. Now, don't forget again, this is a free account. This is not the main account I use, so I'm going to show you this. So once you have posted a job, you have the list of the jobs here, and then you can view the jobs that you have done and then approve or deny. if the worker has not done the job well. So you see a list of approved campaigns and then denied campaigns. What are you waiting for? Log on to Freebyz now and start making so much money online.